A feast for only $4 for kids in a poor countryside in Vietnam. Hello everyone, it's me again, Thong, the poorest YouTuber in the world. Today, follow me to throw a small party for the kids in a poor countryside in Vietnam. Today I have 100,000 Vietnamese dong, equivalent to $4. I'll be using this money to buy groceries and whip up a really delicious meal for the little ones back in my hometown. Today I managed to buy some fish balls, sausages, prawn crackers, potatoes, and a bottle of Coke. First, I'll go ahead and start the stove so the oil can heat up. That way we can fry everything a bit faster later on. All the thing I bought today cost 95,000 Vietnamese dong in total, equivalent to nearly $4. And today I'll make a platter of fried food for the kids. My hometown is just a poor rural area, so for the kids there, getting to eat dishes like these is really a difficult thing. Because the countryside still faces many hardships and shortages. At home, most kids just eat their meals with only a few simple side dishes. These fried foods are all their absolute favorites. I asked for their opinions and they made the choice to have fried food, especially insisting on having sausages and french fries. After the oil gets hot, I'll go ahead and fry the potatoes until crispy, everyone. So why am I actually called the poorest YouTuber in the world? Because right now I am unemployed, not knowing what to do to earn extra income. And I chose the path of doing YouTube. Honestly, this path is incredibly difficult for me. From the filming equipment to how to do it, I had to figure it all out on YouTube by myself. No one taught me, and up to today, I've actually spent a fairly large amount of money relative to my income to make videos. But up to now there still haven't been any good results coming my way. I hope that everyone will welcome the videos I make. Are you out of your mind? Right now, as you can see, although life here is hard and tough, but the air here is very fresh with the trees and the lake. This is truly an incredibly beautiful view. The kids and I often joke that it's a $1 million view. Even though we don't have $1 million in cash, but we do have a view that's absolutely worth millions of dollars. This is a tray of fried food that I'll treat the kids with a bit later. Okay then, let's pan over to this corner here. For me, YouTube is a path that could help me change my life in the future. But in reality, it's just too difficult for a beginner like me. I've really been trying my best to make videos to send to you guys over in the US. But the reality is, it isn't very promising. And I am just so stuck. Everyone watching the video, please give me some advice. Should I really continue doing YouTube or not? Because it has taken up quite a lot of my time. And I'm currently unemployed with no source of income other than a little bit of savings from before. even knowing that this path is very tough. But as someone passionate about cooking, I really want to share with everyone these dishes that might no longer be new to many people. But it will definitely be an entertaining video for everyone to enjoy. And especially, I can cook delicious meals for the kids in my hometown. Dishes that are totally normal for Americans, but are actually incredibly luxurious for the kids here in the countryside. As for the sausages, I also scored them into flower shapes to fry them up so they look eye-catching. By now, the aroma of the sausages has spread all over my garden. The kids and I are also already really hungry. But I also have to try to finish frying everything to make a really good video for everyone. To be honest, I'm not really sure what all the kids here in the United States actually like to snack on. But here in Vietnam, when it comes to snacks, kids, they really love sausages the most. In my hometown, there is no KFC fried chicken, so sausages will be the snack that the kids get to eat and love the most. Even though eating these sausages still costs quite a bit of money for the little kids. And especially their parents will not want to let them eat fried foods like this. After a while, my fried sausage are finally done, everyone. I will take them out so I can continue to fry the fish balls. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to hit follow and share, everyone, so that in my next videos where I make delicious food for the kids, everyone can watch. After finishing frying the sausages, I will move on to the fish balls. This dish is also a favorite of the kids in my hometown. Since there is no high-end fried chicken like KFC, so things like fried sausages or fried fish balls are the choices that the kids love the most. For these fish balls, I will fry them evenly golden, then take them out to cool. As you can all see, back in my hometown, we still mostly use wood-burning stoves. After a while, my fried fish balls are done and I will take them out to drain the oil so they taste better later. If you have the chance to visit Vietnam, you can contact me and I'll be looking forward to welcoming everyone right here at my home. An extremely beautiful scenery. I have a lake, water, wooded hills, and farm animals. Especially the people in my hometown are very hospitable. So it is a choice worth experiencing for those traveling to Vietnam for the first time. After finishing the fried fish balls, I will continue by frying the prawn crackers. These crackers are made from dough, so when fried, they will puff up really big. Just fry them for about 20 to 30 seconds until they puff up, then I'll scoop them out to let them cool. I will enjoy them with the kids in a bit. Seeing is if fried food, I only need to fry it for a bit and it's all done everyone. Getting ready to serve and enjoy. This is a tray of fried food that only costs $4. And it could be a delicious meal for me and the kids. The truth is, for me, I honestly don't have a large budget to shoot a YouTube video. So I can only really make simple videos like this. I hope everyone will watch, share and support me in the future. This dish is truly a favorite of mine and the kids' fried food. Please enjoy the food with me. Here, look at the kids enjoying their food so much. Because, well, we don't always have the means to enjoy such delicious meals like this. I really want to make meaningful YouTube videos like this, both to help entertain everyone and to have the fun to sustain my livelihood. And more importantly, these cooked dishes will be delicious and the kids' favorites. Everyone, please leave me a comment and let me know what I should cook for the kid to enjoy in the next video. Here, please join me in eating with the neighborhood kids near my house. Goodbye and see everyone in the next video. Now, I will turn off the camera and eat with the kids.